In Cartagena's sunny glow, where the almond trees do grow, John Oliver takes a stroll in a land where flavors roll. He's munching almonds by the bay in Colombia, where they sway from Almonds down to cold, crunchy treats like a pro. Oh, John Oliver's out to dine with almonds so divine. In this Latin jazz fusion line, Colombia's treats combine. He's munching almonds by the bay in Colombia, where they sway from almonds into cold, crunchy treats like a pro. John Oliver's out to dine with almonds so divine. In this Latin jazz fusion line, Colombia's treats combine. Salsa rhythms in the air, grooving with carefree flair. Every crunch a festive sign. With almonds he's feeling fine. Bogota to Medellin, almond dreams weaving in with a twinkle in his eye. John's in flavor heaven high. Oh, John Oliver's out to dine with almonds so divine. In this Latin jazz fusion line, Colombia's treats combine. Colombia's treats combine. Colombia's treats combine.